This video I'm going to show you how to design this accomplishment page in the series on how to design brochure. Okay, if you have been following me on this channel, remember I told you that we are going to design complete brochure from the beginning to the end. So we started designing it a couple of weeks ago. So as you can see over here, this was the front page and the back page that we designed. All right, so right after that we were able to design the inner page, that's from page 1 and page 2, which happens to be the program of events and the aims part of the brochure. Right after that we were able to design the biography page, okay, which is this one that you can see on your screen. All right, so in today's video we are going to look at the accomplishment page, okay, which is this one right over here. All right, so I'm going to show you how I designed this. So if you are new to my channel, I am Emma Graphics, and this is where we learn how to design okay, anything related to graphic design. That is what we are doing here. So welcome once again, and kindly subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't done that, okay, so without any further ado, let's jump to it. So what we are going to do, I'm going to quickly move this to this side, okay, so that we can have our page here to design. All right, so when you look at the left hand side of your screen here, so these are few stock images that we are going to use, and the text, I typed out this text so that it will be easier for us to quickly do what we are going to do. So here we are, guys. So without any further ado, the first thing I'm going to do is to give a color to this background. So I'm going to use the same color, of course. So all you need to do, you come here, this is your color palette, and then you choose a color, whichever color. I think this is the color I use, the light yellow, so that's why we have light yellow here. So the next thing you are going to do, bring this your pick tool all the way down here and take it, click and drag it up. All right, drag it up. When you get to this point, right click on it so that you can have a duplicate. I'm going to give a black color to this to separate the color from this and this, okay. And then I'm going to remove the outline from this and also remove the outline. All you need to do, click and then right click on this X, so the outline is off. So click on this one and then click on the shape tool and convert this to curve. All right, then add a knot here, then click here, come here to convert to curve, then you click and drag so that you can have something like this, okay, just the way we have over here. So once you are done doing this, guys, we are going to leave it like this for now. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this. We can leave it like this for now. So I'm going to bring this design over here, this background rather. So I'm going to bring this background over here and scale it up and leave it like this. All right, so you can download this background from Pinterest and any other places that you think it's okay for you to download your background. You can go and download any kind of background you want and use, okay. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to place this on top of this one, then scale it up like that, and take a little bit up, scale it up. That's okay. So you come to bitmap and click on blur, click on Gaussian blur. So you are going to wait until it's done loading. So once it's done loading, you can just play around with this radius, and if you are okay with this, just all you need to do, you click OK. All right, so after that, the next thing you are going to do, while you select this background, this first one, the one we just plot, so you need to click on transparency, click on transparency tool, and then change this place to hard lights. Okay, you have something like this, guys. Yeah, you have something like this. So all I need is just this, the top of this is what I need. So the next thing you are going to do, you are going to leave it like that, and then going to just drop the pick tool and then move this away so that we can power clip this into the frame. Okay, power clip that into the frame, also power clip this into the frame, then go into the frame and adjust this to the middle. If you don't understand what I'm doing, I believe you have not watched the beginners class, so you need to go and watch the beginners class, because when I mention power clip, I mention click here, you will not understand if you have not watched the beginners class. Okay, you need to go and watch the beginners class so that you'll be able to know where to power clip or what power clip actually means. All right, so because I can't start explaining that while I'm doing this. So all you need to do, reposition this like this. Okay, this is what I need. I need just this place is what I need, just to have that nice listing. So I think that's how I did it too. I'm just going to leave it like that. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to bring this man here. So we are going to use the man and then bring this thing here. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come to my shape tool, sorry, the ellipse tool, and bring my ellipse tool and draw a circle, perfect circle like this. I'm going to draw a perfect circle like this and give it a white color. Move the background and then bring it to the middle of this. All right, bring it to the middle of this. Adjust it properly. Okay, adjust it properly. Just put it right in the middle of it. Okay, something like this, guys. That's what I need. So then power clip this man, but before then, if you look at this man over here, if you look at this man, you can see the color is not what we have here. The color that I use there is not what we have. This man is, you can see the color of this man right here. So we need to do that. So all you need to do, just bring this. You can draw a rectangle if you want. Just draw a rectangle and give it a gold color like this. All right, so I'm just going to bring this color here. That's what I did there. So you draw a rectangle, give it a gold color, bring it somewhere here. All I need to do, you click on transparency tool and change this to screen. So now you are going to have something like that. Change it to screen, guys. So the next thing we are going to do, I'm going to power clip this into the frame, go into the frame and adjust it. And adjust it right here. All right, to adjust it. I'm trying to rush this video, guys, because you guys doesn't like to watch long video, so that's why some of my videos trying to rush. But you don't know that long video, that's where we explain so many things that you need to know. So you guys don't really like to watch long video. How do I know that? Of course I do know. I know, of course. Why won't I know? So just position the man at the center of this shape. All right, that's what I'm trying to do. So once you are done, just come out of that place and bring this and power clip this into the frame as well. Okay, if you encounter something like that, it means that you are not power clipping the stuff in the right place, so you need to redo it. So then go into the frame and adjust it. It looks like this is not the right options that we pick here. If you look closely, this is not the right option. So we are going to go back to this again and change this to soft light. Okay, let's change it to soft light. Let's see what we are going to have. Yeah, I think soft light is okay. Let's try something else. How about overlay? Let's check overlay. Perfect. Overlay is the best option. Okay, because when you look closely, you look at what we have here, and what we have here, you can see that they are the same. So this is what I needed. So all I need to do, group it, just click and drag and cover the whole thing, and come here and click on group. Okay, so that you'll be able to move this to anywhere you want. But all I need to do is to place it at the center of this place here and here. Just place it right at the center. You can scale it up a little bit, something like this, and then bring this guy over here, this thing that looks like cup or whatever that was, sorry. So just leave it close to this place and scale it up a little bit more and leave it somewhere there. And yeah, that's it. In order to make this thing, all you need to do, you draw a circle, a circle like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. Draw a circle and give it a black color, remove the outline. Then you can either bitmap it, bitmap this, click on bitmap and convert it to bitmap. Then click on bitmap again, go to blur, use Gaussian blur. So Gaussian blur will give you something like this. To just play around with the radius, guys. Click on OK, bring it all the way like this, guys. Okay, so that's how you make the shadow. So I just want to make a shadow somewhere and leave it here. So something like this, guys. So that's what I needed there. So the next thing we are going to do is just to bring the text, that's all anyways. So it's just to bring the text. Remember, we typed out our text so that it will be easier for us. How do you do this? So just come to your text tool, click somewhere, anywhere you want, just click, then start typing. Just click and start typing, right? Just come to your text tool, click and start typing. It will work for you. Okay, that's what I'm trying to do. The system is giving me a little bit of headache there. So as you can see, so that's how you type. You're asking me how to type, so yes, you have seen how you can type. So all you need to do, you bring it here after typing, bring it to the center, you adjust it. So basically this is how I designed this. So if you look closely, they're not much different. So all I need to do is to bring the accomplishment and drop it up here. Okay, so I'm going to leave the accomplishment here and maybe somewhere here and give it this color, or if it's not okay, we can give it a yellow color like that. Okay, all right, so this is how we did this, guys. So I hope you were able to learn something. So this is the end results over here, guys. So go and try it, and I will see you in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share so that other people can benefit from it. I'll see you in my next video.